been hearing some little grumblings from some big football nations threatening to boycott next year's FIFA World Cup if a particular country qualifies for the showpiece event. And there were other grumblings about America's suitability to host the World Cup because of their internal politics. I maintain, though, that sports and politics should never mix. The World Cup football and the Olympic Games should be totally insulated from world politics. Bodies like the IOC and the ICC should remain independent from politics and even the divisive and highly charged social issues. Leave the athletes and the footballers and the basketballers and the cricketers to entertain us sports fans with spectacular skill and unpredictable non-political drama. If and when they unleash raw politics into the sporting stadia and arenas around the world, sport as we know it would be dead.